Hi everyone, this is Bilal and welcome to Call Retell. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI voice agent for car rental businesses. And this tutorial is going to be pretty easy because in this one, I will use all the apps that we already use like Google Calendar, Google Sheets and Google Gmail. So this tutorial is going to be pretty easy. And this AI voice agent that I will create will help you book, cancel, reschedule appointments along with adding the appointment details in Google Sheets and sending confirmation emails to the customers. So let's see how this AI voice agent actually works. Okay, so this is the Retell AI. Let's call the agent and test how it works. It works the same on the phone.
Thanks for calling United Drive Rentals. This is Luna. How can I help you today?
Hi Luna, my name is Bilal and I'm looking to book a car for tomorrow. Can you help me with that?
Hey Bilal. Yeah, I can totally help you with that. Can I get your last name, please?
Of course, my last name is Shakur with double O.
Thanks, Bilal Shakur. Could you give me your phone number next?
Yeah, my phone number is 123-456-789.
Got it. Thanks. And what's your email address, Bilal?
That's my full name plus 999@gmail.com.
All right, thanks. So which car are you interested in booking for tomorrow?
I am looking for a sports car. Can you tell me which one do you have available?
Let me check which sports cars we have available for tomorrow. We have a Chevrolet Camaro SS available in the sports car category. Could you tell me what time you'd like to pick up the car tomorrow and when you plan to return it?
Okay, so I will pick up the car tomorrow at like 10 a.m. in the morning and I will return it the next day at 1 p.m.
Thanks. Just to confirm, you'll pick up the Camaro SS tomorrow at 10 a.m. and return it the next day at 1 p.m., right?
Yeah, you're right.
Checking availability for the Chevrolet Camaro SS from 10 a.m. tomorrow to 1 p.m. the next day for Bilal Shakur. Awesome. The Chevrolet Camaro SS is available for your dates. The total price is $760, including the rental and deposit. Pickup and return will be at our main office, Broadway Plaza 1, New York. Should I go ahead and book this for you?
Of course, Luna. Just book this car for me.
Great. I'll book the Chevrolet Camaro SS for you now, Bilal. One sec while I lock that in. Hey Bilal, just checking in. Do you still want to go ahead with the Camaro SS booking? Let me know if you need anything else or want to make any changes. Booking the Chevrolet Camaro SS for Bilal Shakur from 10 a.m. tomorrow to 1 p.m. the next day at the main office. Your booking for the Chevrolet Camaro SS is all set from 10 a.m. tomorrow to 1 p.m. the next day. The total is $760 and pickup return is at our main office. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No thanks, Luna. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks again for calling United Drive Rentals. Drive safe and have a wonderful day, Bilal.
So this is how this AI voice agent works. Now let's see how to create this AI voice agent. Okay, so let's get the things ready before creating the actual AI voice agent. The first thing that you're gonna need is going to be a Gmail. And I'm sure you will have a Gmail account. The next thing is the Google Calendar. And if you have a Gmail account, you will surely have a Google Calendar. Now, you will also have Google Sheets, but we need to create these two documents, inventory, your business name, and then you will need to add all of these details. And below, you will have to add the information about the car name, year of the car, hourly price, daily price, deposit, pickup location, return location, and etc. Next, we need to create another document which will store the booking data. So this is the next document and you will copy this and paste it in your document. You can do exactly as I have done. So we have two documents in our Google Sheets. So that's it. You can actually create the new document by going to sheets.google.com and clicking on this, and then you can add the other details. So these are our two documents. So let's go. Now this tutorial is going to be in two parts. The first part is Retell AI and the second part is Animate. And let's dive into the first part, the Retell part. Okay, so if you don't use Retell AI, you can actually sign up and get a $10 free credit on Retell AI. Then you will end up in a UI like this. So you just need to go to create an agent and select voice agent. So this is how it looks. We will choose single prompt agent, start from blank and hit create. Now you are seeing a UI like this. You can rename your AI voice agent. Let's rename it to test United. You can give it your business name. Here we can choose the default chat model, the LLM, but I will keep it at default. Let's choose the voice. You can choose any one that you like. I will choose Chris, and you can select your language. If you don't choose English, you can also select other languages from here. Okay, so next we will have to add the prompt. Let me paste the prompt here and show you how that actually works. Okay, so this is my Retell AI prompt. This is pretty simple. Let me explain how it works. Name of the receptionist, Luna. Role, handles inbound calls for United Drive Rentals, answering 24/7. Friendly, casual, and natural. Uses phrases like, well, I mean to sound human. Keep responses short and natural. 1 to 2 sentences for a general chat. Up to 3 sentences when collecting details. Ask one question at a time and wait for a response. Opening greeting. This is the first message that it will tell the customer. Thanks for calling United Drive Rentals. This is Luna. How can I help you today? Knowledge base, you can add your business information in here. And if you have like a website, you can also give ChatGPT a prompt and it will edit all of these prompts according to your website. Working hours, you can add your working hours in here. Use action tool to find in inventory sheets. Now, so this prompt has some information about the business for which I created this AI voice agent, but you can add your information in here, like your business information in here, your working hours in here, and so on and so on. Use action tool to find car in inventory sheet. So action tool is a tool that I will talk about later. Let's go through this first. Facts. Let's cancel this, we don't need it. When booking an appointment, ask for caller variables. These are the caller variables that the AI voice agent will ask the customer that is calling, and it will use this information to book the appointments. So you know who is actually the customer. Tools. We have only a single tool here, action, and this is a custom tool. This tool will be used to book, cancel, reschedule appointments, and check availability and pick up return location. Also use this for any info about the car, e.g. deposit. It's a Google Sheet database. Steps. So these are the steps that the AI voice agent must follow, because if it doesn't follow it, it's not going to work properly. Identify purpose. Ask, how can I help you today? If booking, go to step 2. If general question, answer from knowledge base. If unknown, say, let me connect you with someone from our team who can help. Then transfer call. We can also add a transfer call function. It's in here. Let's go to add call transfer. And we can add our real human agent number. So when AI doesn't know something, it will transfer the call to a real human being. Collect info. Ask one field at a time. First name, last name, phone number, email, service type, and preferred date and time. Confirm all info at the end. For cancellation, reschedules, only ask for full name and phone number. Book appointment. Check availability using action tool. So it will check if the slot is filled or is available. Confirm slot and book if available. Otherwise, provide 3 alternatives. Tell the customer the car, total price, pick up, return, location to the customer before booking. Wrap up. Ask, is there anything else I can help you with today? End call. Say, thanks again for calling United Drive Rentals. drive safe, then use end call. So it will end the call using this tool. If customer wants to cancel appointment, ask for the booking ID. The customer will receive the booking ID in the email. If customer forgot or doesn't know, ask for full name and phone number. So if the customer forgets the booking ID, it will ask for the full name and phone number to verify and cancel the appointment. If customer wants to reschedule appointment or any other detail, ask for booking ID. If customer forgot or doesn't know, so it will, of course, ask for the full name and phone number. Use the above info to cancel booking using action tool. So it will use it to cancel the appointment using action tool. Then say, I will have to get your info again for booking. So because it's AI, it will ask all the information again for rescheduling the appointment. Then ask for color variables. At last, use action tool for booking. So it will cancel the previous appointment, ask for the information again, and book a new one. Constraints. So this is something that the AI can do. Do not offer cars outside the current inventory. These are the cars in our inventory. You can add as much as you want. Speak in natural, conversational language. Avoid giving inaccurate information. If unsure, take details for staff follow-up. Always check availability before booking a car. Next, we have welcome message. Select AI speaks first. So whoever calls the AI greets the customer first. Message type dynamic. Okay. So now we have to add the custom function that I talked about earlier. So let's go to add and let's click on custom function. Enter the name, action, write the description, what the tool will do. So here's the description of the tool. This tool will be used to book, cancel, and reschedule appointments and check availability. Also use this tool for any info about the car, e.g. deposit. It's a Google Sheet database. Okay, now then we have to enter in here the URL from N8N, and I will talk about later. But first, let's talk about some coding. Now I know you don't know how to code, so that's why I will provide you this is very simple code, and it will make sure that the AI works properly all the time. So I will give you the code in the description down below, and you will have to paste it in here. So what does this code actually does is that it sends action type, whether it has to book, cancel, or reschedule the appointments, so AI doesn't get confused, and then it sends total numbers of hours, so the AI can calculate accurate price for the car, whether it's booked for 3 days, 2 days, or 1 day and a few hours. Speak during execution. You can select like wait a sec. So when the AI is working, it says wait a sec in the background. Now we will have to add a URL in here. So after talking, the AI voice agent can actually send the booking data and add it into Google Sheets and other tools as well. So let's go to N8N. Now, if you don't use N8N, you can sign up to it and you will get a 15-day or 30-day free trial, I don't know. And you can create and test your AI voice agent using that. So this is how the UI actually looks. Let's hit create workflow and you will see something like this. At the first step, search for webhook. So it's like an address where the AI voice agent will send all the information. HTTP method, post, path. Let's simplify it. I will write business, but you can add the name of a business, so the URL in here becomes simpler and easier. Authentication, none. Respond with using respond to webhook node. Okay, this was the first step. So we have added the first step in here. Next, we are going to add an AI agent in here. So this is actually going to be like a person. It's going to process the information and think. In here, we will have to add a prompt. I will paste the prompt in here and describe to you how it works. You can copy it from here and adjust it according to your business, and it will work the same. So I have added the prompt in here that the AI voice agent can follow, and we will have to add another thing in here. A system message. Let's paste something in here. So we are adding all of this to make sure the AI always follows and doesn't have an error. All dates and times must be handled in Pakistan Standard Time. You will have to add your country time in here. Price authority rule. The AI must never calculate or estimate prices mentally. All prices must be derived strictly from inventory tool outputs and explicit duration values. If duration or pricing inputs are unclear or missing, stop and ask for clarification. Any response with an unverified total price is forbidden. Because the AI was sometimes not giving the accurate price, that's why I added this prompt. So it always gives an accurate pricing of the reserved card. Now I will explain this prompt after I have added the important tools. Okay, so first let's add a response to webhook not in here, all incoming items. So it can tell the voice what is happening in here. Let's add our chat model. Let's type OpenAI chat model. Here's OpenAI. I'm using free credits in here, but you get a very small quantity of credits. So if you want the AI to keep running, you will have to add your Appen AI account with paid credits. But you can test the AI using these credits. So we will keep it in here. We will also have to rename this. So let's type our business name. Of course, you will have to add your business. Next, let's create our first tool, which is going to be called inventory, but we will have to search for sheets. Let's search for Google Sheets. And here you will have to add your Google account where you created those two documents in Google Sheets, the inventory of cars, and the second one is going to be the booking information. So for that, you can just click on it, sign in with Google, and you will see some Google accounts in here. You will have to sign that, allow all permissions, and your Google account will be connected. You will have to repeat it for all the tools. It's pretty simple and you do it. Tool description set automatically. Resource sheet within document operation get rows. So it gets the information of the rows written in our inventory sheet. Let's rename it to inventory. Now let's add our next tool, which is check availability, and we will have to add Google Calendar for this. We have this in here. Let's rename it to check availability. You will have to connect your Google account also in here, as I explained before. Okay. Tool description set automatic. Resource event operation get many. Select your Google account. This one is my email. You will have to select your limit. Let the AI decide by clicking in here. Let the AI decide. Let the AI decide. This is our check availability tool. Now we have to add another tool which is going to be called data, and our data is going to be stored in sheets. So let's search for sheets. We are just like simplifying it by renaming the apps. So this is our data tool, sheets account, Google Sheets, tool description set automatically, resource sheet within document, operation, append or update rows. And the next tool we will have to add is going to be cancel. Now we don't have to add cancel because Google Calendar is going to act as our cancel tool. Google Calendar account set automatically resource event delete because it's going to cancel the appointment. Let's select our Google account. This is my Gmail. Event ID set to automatic. This is also done. Let's rename it to cancel. We are just simplifying everything so it is not confusing to us. Let's add our next tool. It will also use Google Calendar and we will call it as book. Book. Google Calendar, automatic, resource event, operation, create because it will book the event. Calendar, let's select our Google Calendar account. Start, let the AI decide. End date, let the AI decide. And keep everything the same. And now we will have to add the last tool which will send the email about the booking to the customer. And I didn't show you when I booked the appointment, I got the email here. Okay. Let's search for Gmail. Let's rename it to Gmail so it's simpler for AI and us to call the tool. Gmail account, connect your Gmail account simply. Tool description, automatic, resource, message, operation, send to let the AI decide because it will send it to every customer. We can't add a single email in here. Subject, let the AI decide. HTML message, let the AI decide. So it's pretty simple. So our AI voice agent is mostly ready. And now when I will explain to you the AI prompt in here, you will know why we have added these tools and how do they actually work. So this is the AI prompt and it's like an order to the AI voice agent. You are an AI voice agent for United Tribe Rentals. You will receive call transcription, so always treat the input as a transcription of a spoken phone call and respond based on what the caller said. But make sure to calculate accurate price using data from inventory tool. Use action type. Remember we added the code in here in Retell AI. So this is the action type that will help the AI to decide what it actually has to do. So you will have to write this exactly as it to decide what action to perform, whether it's book, cancel or reschedule. Always rely on action type before doing anything else. Before booking any car, you must always check availability first. If the requested car or time is already booked, do not book it and instead offer alternative available cars or time. Use an inventory tool only to retrieve information about the cars. This includes car name, category, daily hourly price, deposit and pickup or return location. Use the check availability tool only to check whether a specific car is available for the requested date and time. Use the book tool only to create a booking. When booking, always generate a booking ID in the format AB123, 2 letters followed by 4 digits. When booked, mark the appointment as booked. So we already added it here. We don't need to add it. Use the cancel tool only to cancel an existing booking. So for cancelling, use booking ID or full name plus phone number. It will ask for full name or phone number to cancel an appointment. To check availability of the appointment using check availability tool. Now when you have the event ID, use cancel tool to cancel that appointment and data tool to mark that appointment as cancelled. For calendar booking, always set the title as customer full name, booked car and phone. So look at in here. This is my full name, booked car and phone number. So it's easier for AI to get the information from this. In the calendar description, always include these details exactly booking ID, name, phone, email, car book, total price, pickup location, return location. You can see it in here. This is all the information it has used in here. Next, use Gmail tool for sending email to the customer with all details about booking. A simple and consistent structure. Use it every time when a car is booked, cancelled, or rescheduled, so it will notify the customer about what action it has performed. The current date and time is now. So AI doesn't actually know the date and time, so we will have to use the text in here, paste it exactly like this. So when a call is done, the AI knows the exact time of the call. The call transcription is JSON call transcript. This is also a code, so the AI can get the conversation between the customer and the retail agent. Use both the current date and time and transcription to correctly infer the customer's intended booking date and time. So it will calculate the booking date and time using these two functions. You must calculate the total price correctly. The total price includes the daily rental price, any extra hourly charges, and the deposit. Always include the total price in the respond to webhook output. Use a simple date and time format like this. So it will tell the respond to webhook node, which is this, and it will send the price information to Retell AI, and it will tell the customer what was the price of the car that he booked. So this is all about our AI voice agent. And next we will also have to do a simple trick or a simple setting in Google Calendar. So go to settings and you will have to select your own country in here and your own time zone in here, so AI books the appointment correctly, because I didn't do this, so the AI was booking the appointments at the wrong time because the wrong time zone was selected. So this is our AI voice agent, and the thing is, AI is never perfect. You always have to teach it how to perform. So if you are looking for a similar or adding more functions to your AI voice agent, or also this function is like working improperly and with errors for you, you can just comment and I will help you create one for your business. So if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, call us up, and I will see you in the next video.